Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Nola, Queenie, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm giving you guys another Sensationnel wig review. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy. So this is Sensationnel's half wig next to my hair, and it's pretty dead on with the color. So let's install it. So I like to create my parts on the side, but I don't like my parts really deep. So I'm going to separate a small portion of the front of my hair as my leave out. Guys, wearing your hair in protective style is really good for the health of your hair. Now I am going to braid this part of my hair down. It doesn't have to be perfect, just as long as it's secure. So basically the part of the wig that has the tag, I'm going to secure in the back. And then I'm going to pull the wig up right at my part. That's a wrap on my demo of Sensationnel's Boss Babe half textured wig. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next